angles in a triangle. Angles in a triangle add to 180 degrees. And when we talk about angles in a triangle, we mean the interior angles, the angles on the inside of the shape. So the 45, the 95, and x in this first example. So in example 1, we have to find out the value of x. Now, you may, if you're doing it in your head or rough maybe, you would say that 95 and 45 add to give 140. And then you can say that x is going to be the 180 minus 140, which gives 40. So your answer is that x is 40. So we can all do that. I'm sure we can do that from primary school. I want us to focus today on see how we can do it and using a more algebraic technique, working on our equations. There's no point in us just working with this here. We're not going to learn anything new. So we're trying to focus on our equations, and it's going to help us when the questions get more complicated. And sometimes in tests they say by forming an equation, find x. And if you use this method, you'll get no marks. So how do we do it by forming an equation? Well, the fact is that angles in a triangle add to 180. So we can write that the x plus the 45 plus the 95 equals 180. So that's putting the context of the question into the fact that we know about triangles. And then this is an equation which we can solve using our skills that we've learned in previous chapter. And the first thing you would do here is simplify the equation. There's a 45 and a 95 which we can add together in this equation because they're on the same side, and that gives 140. And then if x plus 140 equals 180, we can subtract 140 from both sides, and we end up with x equals 180 minus 140, which is 40 degrees. So we get the same answer, obviously, and you can see actually how they're very similar, but we're focusing on setting up an equation. Let's do one more example for our notes. We have to find y in this example. We've got a triangle here, and we can see two angles in the triangle are y. What's the third angle? Well, if you can remember from a previous chapter, if you've got these like two lines that intersect, the vertically opposite or the opposite angles are equal. So we could mark in this angle here to be 130 because it's opposite the other 130. And then we need to find out y. Let's try and set up an equation. So the fact is that angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. What are the angles in this shape? They are y plus 130. They're the interior angles. So those three angles added together give 180. If we simplify the equation first of all, the plus 130 equals 180, that stays there. The only thing that can be simplified is that we've got y plus y, we've got 2y here all together. And then that equation we can then solve now because it's simplified. And to solve that, we can take 130 from both sides, and we get 2y equals 50. And if the 2y equals 50, we can divide by 2 to get what one of the angles would be, what 1y would be, and that would be 50 over 2, which is 25 degrees. And you can check 25 and 25 and 130 give 180. So again today, focus not so much on the answer, but on trying to form an equation and then solve an equation.